ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ
ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 24 1964 ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯊꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯣꯟ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯍꯦꯅꯔꯤ ꯕꯦꯔꯜꯁꯀꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ 1762ꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯕꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯣꯚꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛ ꯏꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯉꯥꯈꯥ ꯁꯤꯡꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯔꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯦꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ MLA ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯋꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯔꯦꯡ ꯃꯨꯛꯄꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯡꯑꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯨ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯁꯣꯐꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯁꯣꯐꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯂꯥꯝ ꯐꯤꯂꯣꯁꯣꯐꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯔꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯇꯣꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯇꯂꯥꯟꯇꯤꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯥꯅ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯣꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯩꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯏꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯄꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯦꯔꯤꯀꯥ ꯏꯪꯂꯦꯟ ꯆꯩꯅꯥ ꯔꯁꯤꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯗꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯃꯦꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯔꯦꯡ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ MLA ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯊꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯅꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅꯕꯨ ꯉꯝ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯅꯕꯨ ꯉꯝ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯅꯕꯨ ꯉꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯇꯔꯦꯜ ꯐꯜꯂꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯊꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯣ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ 1,50,000 square kilometers ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯊꯣꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩ ꯀꯌꯥꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯝꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯗꯥꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯐꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯂꯥꯏꯄꯨꯂꯤꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯟ sovereignty to make Manipur the precedent and world the one nation, one religion, and one family through the enlightenment of God consciousness, self-consciousness, and duty consciousness for the presence of Hazel in the world. Michael, Ipapuna Tamilama, and Manata Musta, Hazel Nagani, but Tony Ragani, Nakasan Michael Spuni, Saren, Saren Chalakani, Malang Pasu, Moon China, Mamulan Karakani, but Tamuda, Mate. Masasina, Matin Masasina, Hainasina, Nona, Gamtai Muradi, Laitai Muradi, Manipur, Laipak, Lai Lam Laipak, Gordon. Matin Ban Laipak, Lai Laipak, Laipak, Matamula, Darami Katariba, Darami Punariba, Darami Lan, Economy Lan said. Madam said, one nation, one religion, and one family,
Laipulik was established on 28 December 1964. The main theme of the Laipulik is nothing but universe is the union of material world and spiritual world. To define the material world, there is 5 supreme elements, that is fire, water, land and sky. And to define the spiritual world, there is 5 supreme elements, that is love, truth, sacrifice, faith and peace. So by defining these 2 worlds, what I'm saying here, material world and spiritual world, I'm saying here is that human bodies dwell on material world and human soul is dwell on spiritual world. That is, universe, material world of the universe is created by water, fire, land, water and sky. And spiritual world, soul, the spiritual world is created by love, truth, sacrifice, faith and peace, like that. Then my body is the material world and soul is the spiritual world. Then human mind, what about the human mind? Human mind is to control the material world and spiritual world. So like that, universe is the union of material world and spiritual world. Human being is the union of body, soul and mind. Body means material world, soul means spiritual world. Mind means to control the material world and spiritual world. So that Laipulik has been campaigning since its beginning. The mission on sovereignty to make Manipur heaven is dead and world the one nation, one religion and one family through the enlightenment of God consciousness, self-consciousness and duty consciousness for the advent of Haishak in the universe. I'm saying here sovereignty means sovereignty of soul from material bondage, from slave of material bondage to define the journey of life. So if we get the sovereignty of soul means spiritual sovereignty. With the Manipuris, with the Maitis, with the Kanglisas, with the Salaisas are getting sovereignty of soul from material bondage. Our motherland Manipur will be the heaven state and world will be one nation, one religion and one family. So at the end, at last, Laipulik will be responsible to make Manipur the heaven state and world the one nation, one religion and one family through the enlightenment of God consciousness, self-consciousness and duty consciousness for the advent of Haishak in the universe. Haishak means the era of truth, the truth based on everything else. So Laipulik will be continue to establish free education and compulsory free education to all the villages of Manipur at first, and secondly to all the states of India, and thirdly to all the countries, nations and in the world. So at last, I wish to all my beloved brothers and sisters dwelling in this beautiful world, Laipulik will be responsible for peace. That's all.